Here we are again. My favorite place, the Whites. We are doing Mount Carrigain today. This is where we are, Sawyer River Road here. So we are going up the Signal Ridge Trail to the top of Carrigain. And I think we're going to do that spur, go down, and right back. It's about an 11-mile hike. Little buggy out, hoping it's not too bad. But right next to a water, so that's good for Chewy. And here we are, 5 miles. So 10-mile hike. Alright. Here we go. On to Mount Carrigain. See you guys later. You ready, Chewy? Back on the 4000s. Alright. It's kind of our second river crossing. Going back over it. He's loving it. And I don't mind because he's wiping all the mud off him. But I'm just looking for the best way where I'm not going to get that wet. We just have to get to over there. It's not high. It's just deep over here. But that's it. Make it over somehow. I think I see where I'm gonna go. Tough doing it with a GoPro, but I think I can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little wet, but oh well. Oh, success! Didn't even get wet. And it started to rain. I'm feeling little drips here and there, but luckily I got the trees for the canopy, so it's not too bad. But it's spitting out a little bit. Nothing bad, but I think it's gonna linger the whole afternoon. So let's hope it doesn't open up when we get out into the open up at the top. Brought my raincoat, but I didn't bring his. While I'm bored in the woods, I'll mention one more thing about the top. What's cool about the top is there's a fire tower. We're on an old logging road. Way back, they used it, and at the top there is a fire tower. So you get to climb up that, which is nice. Nice little spot to have lunch. World famous bacon jerky. Made it myself, but I'll have that. I actually made him some plain bacon jerky so he can enjoy it too, because he's conquering the 4000s with me. Alright, we're about a little over 3,400 feet up. Definitely been a gradual climb. It's some steep spots, it tapers off. This is my first real good view. It's just a little opening of what's to come. It's muggy out, definitely sweating a lot. First water break I drank probably a half liter. Same with Chewy. It's very muggy, so just trying to keep the muscles hydrated so I don't cramp up. I got salt pills, the salt tabs, just in case, because it is one of those days. My shirt is soaked, but me being an overpacker, I have extra socks. I think I had 1 or 2 extra shirts. So life is good. But yeah, that's it. It's 11:11. We started a little after 9:30. So we're making good time. I jogged about a half mile, and then it was just all uphill. That's it. I think around 4,000 feet we get up onto the ridge line. So we still got a little ways to go. And then we'll see the views. Alright, here we go. Achoo, we're making it. Well, we're at 3,800 feet. Another 200 feet till ridgeline. And it starts to rain. It feels good and all, but I'm hoping it's just a passing shower and it's not pouring on the ridgeline. Or I might just burrow in for a little bit in the tree line and see if it passes. But we got another, I don't know, 10-15 minutes probably till we get to that point. I'm hoping it just passes. So that's it. We're almost there. It's about almost 11:30. Almost 2 hours into the hike. I'm doing good. That's it. Hopefully I see you guys at the ridgeline and I'm not soaking wet with my raincoat on. Well, it's raining and it's coming down pretty good. I'm debating on what to do. I'm debating if I go out onto the ridgeline where it's going to be wide open, or do I bunker in for like, I don't know, 10-15 and hope it passes. But then the longer I wait, if it doesn't stop, the more wet and slick it's going to get on the way up and the way back down. So it's thinning out the trees. I'm getting dumped on with rain. So decisions. Here we go. Good news. We're around 4,400 feet. It just tapered off with the rain. The only thing is I think we're going to be bogged in the clouds. Hopefully it'll clear up. So if it doesn't, it's not going to be too many views from the old fire tower. But we're still moving. Well, I heard it opened up at 4,000 feet, but it hasn't opened up yet, so for who put that on their video, you were wrong. More like 4,500, 4,600 feet it opens up. Alright, enough of my rambling. Flattened out though, so views should be coming hopefully. We're in the cloud. I hope it clears up, or we're not going to see anything. Which is too bad because this is the first glimpse and we got a half mile to go. Come on, sun, help me out a little bit. It's windy. I hope it blows this all out. Alright, well, looks like we're going to be in the clouds because there's the peak and we can't see it, and it's starting to rain again, so hell with it, we're going for it. It ain't about the views now, it's about just getting this next mountain under our belt, and we'll be down to 20 left. Alright, putting the GoPro away, it's starting to pour, gotta concentrate. Woo! Hiking in the rain. This is when you gotta love it. Even in the cloud, it's pretty cool, but could be better. Although it could be worse. So just take what we get. Roll with it. Yeah, it's getting more cloudy. White out. Oh, we made it. We're in a cloud, but we made it. That's where we are. Whew. I'm hot and I'm cold. We're gonna climb up. Do it now in case it starts raining. Come on, Papa. Alright, well, we're hunkered down. A nice little area carved out. Having our snacks. Changed my shirt. Trying to let the coat dry out. It's soaked. Good news is it's getting a little bright out. And I'm hoping after we have our snack and whatnot, we can get some views. It'll clear up. So let's hope in the next 15-20 minutes, because the sun's coming out as we speak and it's putting a smile on my face. Alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Line we came up from when we couldn't see anything. Hopefully we'll see a little more now.